The newly designed Gorilla Cart's steel garden cart has been engineered to significantly reduce assembly times, making it quick and easy to put this cart to work. The new frame design improves maneuverability, increases ground clearance, and gives the cart a tighter turn radius, making it easy to move up to 400 pounds for gardening, farming, or any other outdoor jobs. The durable steel bed features removable sides that allow the cart to convert into a flatbed for moving larger materials like 2x4s, tree branches, or fence posts. The 10-inch pneumatic turf tires are designed to tackle any terrain, and the padded grip handle has also been upgraded to make hauling heavy rocks, wood, or plants easy for anyone. Whether you're an experienced farmer, a casual gardener, or an occasional do-it-yourselfer, this utility cart will ensure that your outdoor projects go off without a hitch. The bed dimensions measure 34 inches by 18 inches, and the cart has an overall height of 37 inches and weighs 36.6 pounds. Gorilla Cart's full line of products meets the needs of the light-duty homeowner as well as the commercial-duty professional user by offering a wide variety of carts in many sizes and weight capacities. The Gorilla Cart's GOR400 steel garden cart comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Tough and durable, 34-inch long x 18-inch wide steel mesh bed and 10-inch pneumatic tires. Number 2. Easy to use. Innovative frame design allows for quick and easy assembly while offering smooth steering, sturdy rigidity, and ample ground clearance. Number 3. Versatile hauling. Side panels are removable to accommodate larger loads. Number 4. Comfortable pulling. Padded pull handle makes it easy to pull up to 400 pounds. Number 5. This versatile cart features removable sides that can transform this cart into a flatbed in minutes. This steel cart will make moving large objects such as lumber, fence posts, or tree limbs a breeze. Number 6. This wagon was designed with a tight turn radius, 10-inch pneumatic tires that can handle tough terrains, and a padded easy grip handle so you can easily haul up to 400 pounds of rocks, dirt, mulch, and more. Whether you're a casual gardener or an experienced landscaper, this steel garden cart has the features you need to get the job done in a fraction of the time. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.